Okay, so this is me showing you exactly how this works. This system's amazing. It's basically turning every single person out there into a little Google. Google makes billions of dollars referring people to great sources for answers, businesses, that type of thing. Well, why not you make money for that as well? So you come in here, you click apply. You fill out this form, you're agreeing that the referrals you send are good people. They're not good people in the sense, anyway, good that they are interested. You've had a conversation with them. You're not just randomly submitting numbers. You click apply, you sign it, and you click apply. So from there, once you're approved for an account, you'll get an email that looks something like this. Set up your Guru Gutter Cleaning call tracking account, or set up your Papa Local call tracking account. Right here, what you're going to do is you're changing your password, or you're creating a password. So you click set password, choose your browser, and it's going to go to a screen that looks like this. I'm just going to do twos. Obviously, you're going to set a password. So twos, and I'm going to click change my password. And then from here, I am logged in. This is the basic mobile site version. What you're going to want to do is add this to your home screen. So this isn't an app, but you can make it act like an app. It's a website with a mobile-friendly view, which is basically an app. So what you do here is you're going to want to add this to your home screen. So you can do this different ways, Chrome, Safari. For Chrome, you have to do a little work to get this button, but you come here and it's add home screen. And you click that, and then that opens up, you name it. Now, when I add my home screen, what I'm actually going to do, I'm not going to add this calls.ewebify.com. I'm going to go to the text section because that's actually how you submit leads. So I'm going to come over here to the text, or the hamburger icon on the bottom left, and I am going to choose, let's see. Actually, I need to choose the company first, so I'm going to choose Guru Gutter Cleaning. I'm going to click the eye icon. And from here, I'm going to go to texts. And so this is a lead that I submitted through this account already as a test. But so what I do here, now I have this page pulled up. But even more, I'm going to click the text icon, the blue one on the top right. I'm going to click on that. And now this is the form that you need in order to submit a lead. And so I want to save this page because that's the fastest way when I'm in front of a customer that I can recommend somebody. So now I'm going to click on this download on the top right in the browser. And from here, I'm going to click add to home screen. And I'm going to change it. I'm going to call it like leads. I have a bunch of these because I've been testing, but lead 7 and add. And there it is. Now it's added to the home screen and I just have to click it. So to actually add a lead, it's really simple. I can either look at it this way or I can rotate my phone and I can get a bigger view. But all I'm going to do is I'm going to input the person's phone number in here. It's pretty simple. And then I'm going to click this plus icon and it's going to give me a preset thing that I'm going to say. So done. There you go. And I'm going to send. And now that lead has been sent. And so from here, I'm going to rotate it back. I'm going to actually come up to the referral section and I'm going to fill in this information. And then for the writing portion, because we want to know what's your relationship to this referral, you're going to click the microphone option, and then you're just going to talk and it's going to transcribe what you're saying. So that's an easy way to do it without needing to text and to type it out. And I click return and I'm done. I'm going to click save and your job is done. You have just submitted a lead to this company. And then you get paid every 30, 40 days, depending on how the month works and all the calls. But you get a direct deposit into your bank account. It's as simple as that. That's how you do it from A to Z. And then as you become a better lead provider and you get approved for other companies, it just opens the opportunity, opens up the door for you to be a referral partner and refer people to great businesses. So yeah, if you have any questions, just let us know.